food lovers, we're going to have a look at a very tasty Caribbean spice blend, Colombo. I'm Wes, welcome to the Spice Files. This Caribbean spice blend actually originated from India and more precisely from Sri Lanka. In earlier days it were the Indian coolies that brought this curry to the Caribbean islands, and this spice blend had some evolution because in time the local people started to use the local spices. So we're going to have a look at all the spices we need for this blend. This is actually the grounded Colombo mix. This is how it looks like at the end. To start with, we got the leaf of the bay rum tree. This tree is a cousin from the allspice berry tree. In the Caribbean they ground the dry leaves and they call it 4 spices. We got some curry leaves, also called caraway. Ginger root, dried white ginger is the best. Turmeric root. We also got some black pepper. I'm actually using the Gambit pepper, the long one, because they got much more flavor. The cardamom pods, you only use the seeds. Nutmeg, I don't have to present you that anymore. And here we got some star anise, also called badian. We got some dried garlic, and we got some bird-eye chilies. This is optional, you don't have to make your spice blend hot. You can always add it when cooking. Coriander seeds, I don't have to present them, you know them very well. Mustard seeds, most of the time you got the yellow mustard seeds. I prefer the brown one or the black ones. They got a little bit more flavor to it. Fenugreek, also important. Allspice berries, also called Jamaica pepper. Caraway, we got some fennel seeds, and we got some sweet paprika. In some recipes you will also find cumin, as I'm already using caraway, which is also called wild cumin, so I mostly don't add cumin to my Colombo mix. And you can even have 4 or 5 more ingredients. Every family, every restaurant has its own little secrets about this. And to ground your spices, I highly recommend you to use a grinder like a coffee grinder or a spice grinder, and even better a mortar and pestle, and you'll be sure to get the most out of your spices. If you got whole spices, you can also toast them lightly in the beginning, although some seeds are a little bit more sensible to heat. To give you an example, you don't toast mustard seeds at the same time as you do with black peppercorns, and that is the same for the grains of the cardamom. And so my dear friends, I would absolutely recommend this spice mix, which is absolutely delicious with seafood and poultry, but also very nice for stews and marinades. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.